Bells were attached on coffin to make sure people did not get buried alive in the Victorian era. Dhanteras has proved to be record-breaking this time, as for the first time in the last 2 years, 15 tons of gold jewelry worth rupees 7.5 thousand crore has been sold on Dhanteras. People who show off their levitation skill on the streets actually sit on metal stand. In a German village called Hugeri, the rent hasn't been raised since 1520. It costs just $1 to live entire year. Some years ago, an incident occurred where a truck driver tried to pass under a low bridge, but he failed and the truck was stuck under the bridge. There are about 2,400 different species of bacteria living in a person's navel, and more than half of them may be new to science, and it's the composition. Due to lack of land in some places in Israel, they also cultivated on the walls. In China, a man spent 50 years of his life to carve 6,000 steps in a mountain just so his wife could walk easily. A boy asked his father what is the size of God. On Friday, April 13, in 2029, an asteroid more than 100 feet wide will pass by Earth closer than the Moon and will easily be observed with the naked eyes. People who show off their levitation skill on the streets actually sit on metal stand. Boys are actually more emotional affected by relationship troubles than girls. They just know how to hide it well. One day, as a small child, Thomas Edison came home from school and gave a paper to his mother. Titanic survivor Catherine Gilnock, who was 16 when the Titanic sank, didn't realize the seriousness of the ship's situation until she reached New York. She thought that disembarking the lifeboats and being picked up by another ship was all part of the journey. You are seeing a three-dimensional projection of a four-dimensional object on a two-dimensional screen in a three-dimensional room. A science teacher from Kenya who donated most of his salary to help poorer students has been crowned the world's best teacher and awarded $1 million prize, beating 1,000 nominations from 179 countries. In 2016, the entire Northern hillside was struck by surf lightning, killing over 320 reindeer native to the area. Sometimes nature is ruthless. According to a recent study, talking to your mother has the same effect as a hug, and help can reduce stress levels. The sound of her voice relaxes oxytocin. 10 million years ago, turtles could eat you with a single bite. During the filming of Conan the Barbarian, Arnold had to cut down his workout routine because his arms and chest muscles were so big that he couldn't wield a sword properly. An Australian man typed every number from 1 to 10 lakhs in words, not numbers, on his typewriter. It took him 16 years. Famous beer brand Budweiser has sent out a bottle to every goalkeeper. Lionel Messi has scored a goal against Messi's scored record 644 goals. World's strongest fruit is kiwi. Eating kiwi reduces eye problem and increase eyesight. When a male lion can't keep up with the lioness, she demands to mate by eating the ball of lion. Last tweet of late actor Puneet Rajkumar was just 7 hours before. Life is so unpredictable. Japanese artist gives lives to rocks by painting adorable and realistic animals. The most complex object is the known universe. Brain only uses 20 watts of power. It could require a nuclear power plant to energize a computer the size of a city block to mimic your brain, and your brain does it with just 20. When Thomas Edison needed a wheelchair in his final years, his friend Henry Ford bought one too so they could have wheelchair races. Russian brown bear, who was abandoned as a cub and raised by humans, has now started modeling career. In 2009, an anti-kidnapping expert in Mexico was kidnapped after giving a lecture on how not to be kidnapped in Mexico. Pink elephants can be found in some regions of India because of the red soil. Elephants take on a permanent pink color because they spray dust over the bodies to protect themselves from insects. When you need to leave your computer for a few minutes, put the mouse on top of the analog wristwatch. The ticking from the watch will keep the computer active until you get back. The Button tribe in a remote part of Sulawesi, Indonesia have a rare genetic defect that gives many members electric blue eyes.